What's up, Savvy Expats? So we covered Park 30th and Terra 28th as places that you can walk around as a pedestrian or just to get some exercise in. Now I'm going to give you guys a third place, and we're just going to walk around, check out the scene, and you guys will have another place that you can get exercise and hang out. So let's go. So as you guys know, we're in BGC, so we're just going to walk around here. Over here they have this sort of field or just grass area that you can hang out. They even have some kids over here going over some soccer training. So they're just training right now. We have some families that enroll their kids, I guess, in some local soccer practices. And as you guys can see, you can get an idea of this area. It's kind of like a circular drive almost. So it circles around this grass area here. And then we walk towards this way. And I'm going to show you guys a path that you may not have seen here in BGC. It's kind of on the edge of BGC. You may not have seen it because it's a little bit hidden. So we're gonna walk into that path, show you guys yet another place that you can walk around and get some exercise. Like I said, we did cover Park 30th and Terra 28th. So those are already two places you have on our list that you can walk around, get some exercise. And also I especially like this one because it's more nature based and it's also more quiet too. And it's really built for people that want to just walk or run. Unlike Terra 28th, you have like all different stuff going on there. But this is just an actual track and path. But before we go on to the path, let's see what's over here. This is pretty cool. So we just walked through that stone path right there with the rocks. Then now they have this sort of, I don't know what you would call this, like some sort of steps and stairs, as you can see. So then we walk through here, and I'm gonna walk through this Avatar looking jungle. These trees look like they're from Avatar, the tree of life. There you guys go. Apologize for the lighting. I hope it wasn't dark the whole time. But yeah. You have these really cool looking trees here. Like I said, this is more nature based. Again, there you have those steps, those stairs. And if it was dark while I was showing you guys these steps, here it is again. It's a cool place to hang out. You have a bench here. So let's continue going. Usually on the track that I'm going to show you guys, they usually have quite a few people running in the morning time. Look at that. It's like Avatar. And so I'll show you guys where it starts. So over there, that's where the track starts. You can barely see, but down there, that's where the track starts. It's not too far. So down there, and then it goes very far down here. Like I said, this is for runners and walkers. So this will be a good place for you guys to get some exercise in the morning. Especially when it's nice and cool. You have this green scenery. So we're just gonna walk down here and get a nice little walk in. I also appreciate your guys' support. We're almost at 500 subscribers now. I believe we're at like 580 something. So I really appreciate your support. Like I said, I've been saying in my past videos that our goal is to get to 500, so we're almost at our goal. Next up, our goal is 1,000. So if you guys can do that, I'll be proud of all of you. A lot of you guys are loyal subscribers and followers, commenting on every one of my videos, so I appreciate that as well. But getting back to the walking tour, just a simple path. Nothing really crazy about it. Also, you have these things, like these paths that go down this way too. Multiple things, like multiple just like little areas where you can sit or hang out. Right here. Don't you love the nature, guys? This is what I like about BGC, is they also incorporated some of the Philippine nature here. But yeah, like I said, just other paths that go off this main track here. But we'll continue going down this track. I'm not sure how many miles or kilometers this track is, but I have ran here in the past in the morning time. And if you just go down the full track, just even, I'd say 2 or 3 times, it gets pretty tiring. Definitely over a mile after 2 times. As you can see up there, they have more condo buildings, nice views. A lot of people come here to walk their dogs as well. And then if you guys go take a right here, this will lead you towards Burgo Circle, which we did a walking tour at already. I'll leave that link in the description if you want to see our Burgo Circle walking tour. Burgo Circle is also a really nice area too. I recommend you guys go there. They have quite a bit of shops, restaurants, food trucks, a lot of options. So check out Burgo Circle too. As you guys can see, a lot of people playing right now. Sometimes you'll find people exercising here too with their trainers and whatnot. But yeah guys, highly recommend that you come over here in the morning time. Good scenery, got a lot of greenery around you. It's nice. Look at that. Condos. Also, you guys, while we're here and I'm doing this commentary, I have been making quite a few condo videos of, you know, different condos in Makati and in BGC. And so if that is getting a little bit boring, just comment down below what you guys want to see next, because I know that those condo videos can be repetitive. You know, like most affordable condos in BGC and Makati, I know it can get kind of repetitive. So if you guys want more walking tours, or you want me to eat at a certain restaurant, comment down below so that you guys can stay tuned in this content. But other than that, they have music here. Other than that, subscribe as well so we can reach our next goal of 1,000 subscribers. Really excited to reach that. Oh, and by the way, I can't believe I haven't mentioned this. Over to this wall, or across from this wall, you have the Manila Golf Course. And I think that's from the Manila Polo Club, if I'm not mistaken. Manila Golf Course. It's a big golf course. I have seen, like, as you guys have seen when I do the condo videos, a lot of these condos over here, they have the view of the golf course, which is nice. You guys can get a pretty big idea of how large the golf course is. I don't know if you guys have noticed or if you guys have observed it, but even just walking past here, you'll notice other people that are of different nationalities than Filipino. Korean, Chinese, from the US, from Europe, Australia. So that's another nice part about BGC. Obviously this channel is called Savvy Expat, also for you local Filipinos as well. But one of my favorite parts about living in BGC is that they have many restaurants and a lifestyle that caters to expats. Not only American restaurants, but a lot of Chinese, Japanese, and whatnot. So that's a nice part about living in BGC. Yeah guys, so not really much to say about this path. I mean, it's just a straight path. I just wanted to post this video for you guys, just to give you a general idea of all the places that you can walk around here in BGC. And my goal for these walking tour videos, guys, is just to show you as much places as I can here in BGC, so that you can understand like what the city is like, activities that you can engage in, running, places to eat and whatnot. And overall, just to give you a better idea of what living in BGC is like, if you either have lived here and plan on coming back or want to live here. So yeah, just to give you better ideas of living in BGC and the things that you can do here. We have done walking tours in Burgos Circle and High Street, and I've covered that BGC is pretty much back to normal from what it seems. And so we're pretty much like 10 minutes into this walking tour. I'm walking at a decent normal speed, and we're still not even at the end of the track yet, so lots of room to run. Well, actually, look at that. It's not really that much room to run, but I mean, it's enough. And it's a pretty long track, so you definitely get a good workout in here. Yeah, so we're just gonna walk down this track here, or this path. We'll reach the end, and by then you guys can have a good idea of how long this track is. We won't go all the way back around, because it's already long enough as it is. I don't know what city that is over there. I think that might be Rockwell. I know one thing's for sure: if it was nighttime and there was those lights that are lining the building, then that's definitely Rockwell. As a matter of fact, next video, guys, will be most affordable rental units in Makati. So a lot of rental units that I'll be covering then will be in Makati, in Rockwell. Here's another view of BGC. Pretty nice. You have the buildings there. Check that out. Yep. Okay. So we're almost at the end. Good workout already, and we're just walking. That way. And so the end is right over there where that tree is. Yeah, so I mean, it took us about maybe 10-12 minutes to walk this. So you guys, if you were to run, maybe it'd take like 6 minutes or even less. So a good workout, guys. So there is yet another place that you guys can walk around in BGC. And so if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more walking tours, please comment down below and also like this video. Let's try and get this video to 50 likes, and if this video gets to 50 likes, we'll continue the walking tours and walk around other areas of BGC to give you a better idea of places that you can visit here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.